Here we are. We have taxi drivers. We're down here. Ooh, I think we go down here. Like boys. Yeah. Seat first, then handlebars, then pedals, now the wheel. There we go. Got the box, got the bags, got the bag, nothing on there. What's up, gang? So, we're fucking ready. We're in the airport, Suvarnabhumi, Thailand, BKK. We got the two carriers down here. We got this little fucking light on the back. But I'm as big as a car because I'm sideways. That's the only way I can make it fit. And yeah, freshly wrapped grips. Easy peasy, off we go. I'm gonna follow him. Where's he going? Where are you going, mate? Where are you going? Left? Okay, we're going left. Look, it's really not that hard. You can go on the ground floor or you can go up there. I don't think you're allowed up there though, so if you don't want to get in trouble, go this way. And just like that, we're out of here. Hell yeah, I don't know if you can even see it. Can you? I don't know. Oh shit, there's a speed bump. We're gonna crash. No, we're good, gang. We're good. We're doing it. We are adventure maxing. It's nearly 4 AM by the way. It's nearly 4 AM when I'm doing this at 4 AM. Be right, mate. We're gonna make it into Bangkok now. Hell yeah. I can't say I love this place, but I love Chiang Mai, I love Thailand. Let's adventure max. Like, it's not that difficult. It's actually really chill. The road's so quiet. There's obviously the sky bridge. I'm pretty sure you'll get in trouble if you go on there, but not too much trouble because I know people have done it. But if you just want the hassle-free route, go to where the taxis are. Make a bike far left-hand side when you come out the building. Facing the taxis, go left. And just make your bike there. Like, you don't have to even walk over to where the grab is because you can just make it and then you go stick on the left. Even though it's like a little left turn, you go left anyways, and then you're on the road. Look at that. We're in Thailand, boys. I actually almost didn't make it into the country, but hey, that's for another time. I know you want to see me on my bicycle. My bicycle. I'm getting sleep deprived drunk, you know the feels. I wanna go on my bicycle through Bangkok at the middle of the night. Yeah, you know, girl. Oh, I'm green like them bushes. Green like my helmet. Green like my handlebars. Green like the grass. You feel, fam? You feel. Green like the essence of life, baby. We up like you don't even know, fam. Goodbye. Take it here. You're going the right way. Keep it moving, baby. Keep it pushing. Mate, we've made it onto the main road. Here's the little bridge. So at the end of that road, you take a left. And then you can basically make it anywhere. You can go right and loop around, but you can just take a left and then a right and you'll be at Lac Krabang. Hey, you've got your own place to go, so don't follow me. I'm going to Lac Krabang though. Real? You're gonna end up on like a highway road if you take a left. I know for a fact you can avoid it if you take a right turn from when you go out the airport, so just something to keep in mind. It's quite lit and quiet at night, but during the day it could be a bit hectic and the roads are a little confusing, but there's like a good bicycle lane. There's like a decent section on the road, so you can get away with it. Boys, we are back in Thailand. I slept until like 3 PM. Got it all out my system. I noticed, like, when I'm, like, super tired, like last night, like, I get a little bit of eye Tourette's. Um, I think that's due to the heavy metals in the little joblets when I was a kid. I'm not sure, though. Uh, this is what it is. I guess I look like Ethan Klein now. But yeah. Let me tell you, though. I'm so happy to be on Thailand roads. After being in Vietnam, like, Thailand drivers have a bad rep, but I promise you, the roads here are way better. The drivers, I mean, are way better than Vietnamese drivers. I'm gonna make a comparison video of, like, the best places to drive in Asia, because for the rep that Thailand has, the drivers here are pretty respectful, pretty good. Don't try to kill you. Pay attention somewhat, you know? Uh, so that's that. Well, we've made it back to the room, we've made it back home. And yeah, till next time, boys. If you liked the video, hit like, subscribe, comment down below. Do you leave the airport like a homeless person too, or nah? Ooh-wee, we barely made it into the country, boys. So if you are like doing what I'm doing and basically living in like Thailand slash Vietnam or Asia, keep in mind you wanna spend half your time out of the country. Like, it's like a general rule, it's not a hard rule, but if you're spending more than half your time in Thailand, they're gonna pull you up on it. I usually spend 3 months in Thailand, 3 months in Vietnam. So I've been fine until now, but my last run in Vietnam was 45 days, and they obviously know I'm gonna spend 3 months here. So they grilled me a bit, you know. I got pulled. They hit the girl hit the yellow button. She knew what she was doing. She had a grudge against me. But nah, I got brought to the back room. They put tape on your camera of your phone. And then they'll just question you. I heard the lady behind me, I think she was Korean, and she was like learning Thai. And the lady comes over and speaks Thai, and she couldn't understand her. And she's like, "Oh, you've been learning Thai? Why don't you know any Thai then?" So that was kind of funny to see. She said it serious, but she was kind of laughing and joking at the same time. She actually got away with it. She was like, "Okay, next time you learn study hard, so next time I speak to you, you know some Thai." I'm like, okay. So that I think they got let through. And then there's a few people there. Some of them, most people were getting forced to book a return flight. I had a good excuse. I was like, "Oh, I'm waiting for my Australian working visa, so I can't book that flight until I know I have it." And then I just explained that, like, I usually spend half my time out the country, but this time I was late to booking my Vietnamese visa, so I only got 45 days there. And she was like, "Okay." She thought about it. She was like, "Oh, okay, I understand." And she's like, "Come with me." And then I got let through. So we got lucky this time, boys. We got lucky. I think I'm pushing my luck a bit with Thailand. So probably a good idea is to go spend some time in Australia working and getting some money. Money, money, money. And then I can start my OnlyFans and fund missiles being shot at Palestinians. Palestinians. That land is owned by the Christians. I'm joking, we're not speaking about that in this video. Goodbye!